Your iPhone just said, "This accessory may not be supported," and now it refuses to charge. Before you panic, watch this. I will show you exactly how to fix it, step by step.
So what does this error actually mean? Your iPhone runs a security check on every accessory you plug in. If the accessory fails that check, iOS blocks it completely and shows this alert. The most common reason is a cable without Apple's Mfi certification chip, but it can also happen with genuine Apple cables, dirty ports, or even after a software update. The good news is that most cases are fixable in under 5 minutes.
Fix number 1. Reconnect the accessory and switch to an MFI certified cable. Unplug the cable, wait 3 seconds, and plug it back in firmly. If the error returns, your cable is likely the problem. Look for the Made for iPhone badge on the packaging. Trusted MFI brands include Anchor, Belkin, and Ugreen. Avoid cables that cost less than $5. They almost always lack the authentication chip. Switching to a certified cable permanently fixes the issue in about 60% of all cases.
Fix number 2. Clean your charging port. This is the most overlooked solution. Power off your iPhone completely. Use a flashlight to look inside the Lightning or USB-C port. You will probably see compacted pocket lint and dust at the bottom. Take a wooden toothpick and gently scrape out the debris. Never use metal objects like pins or needles, because they can short-circuit the pins. Finish with a burst of compressed air. A clean port restores proper pin contact and fixes the error in about 50% of remaining cases.
Fix number 3. Restart or force restart your iPhone. A simple restart clears temporary software glitches that cause false accessory rejection. For a force restart on iPhone 8 and later, including all modern models, press and release volumed up. Then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo again. For iPhone 7, hold volume down and the side button together. A force restart never erases your data, and it works about 40% of the time for software-related false positives.
Fix number 4. Update your iOS to the latest version. Open the Settings app, tap General, then tap Software Update. Apple frequently patches accessory recognition bugs in minor updates. If this error appeared right after a recent iOS update, a subsequent patch may have already fixed it. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi and at least 50% battery before updating. Keep your iPhone plugged into a charger during the update to prevent interruptions. Fix number 5. Reset your settings, or, as a last resort, factory reset. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. This clears network settings and accessory preferences without deleting your personal data. You will need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and repair Bluetooth devices afterward. If that does not work, back up everything to iCloud first, then choose Erase All Content and Settings. After the reset, restore from your backup and test the accessory again.
Now let me explain what is actually happening behind the scenes. Apple's MFI program requires every licensed accessory to include an authentication coprocessor chip. When you plug in an accessory, your iPhone sends a cryptographic challenge to that chip. The chip must respond with the correct digital signature within milliseconds. If the signature matches, charging and data sync proceed normally. If it fails or the chip is missing entirely, your iPhone displays the error and blocks the accessory. This protocol is called IAP2, the iPhone Accessory Protocol version 2.
Let us break down the root causes by how often they occur. About 60% of cases are caused by non-Mfi or counterfeit cables that lack the authentication chip. Around 20% are caused by a dirty or debris-filled charging port. Roughly 10 to 15% are iOS software bugs, especially after a system update. And about 5 to 10% are actual hardware failures, such as a damaged port or a faulty charging IC on the logic board.
There are a few special cases worth mentioning. If you have an iPhone 15 or later with USB-C, some third-party cables with non-standard pin configurations can trigger this error, even though USB-C is an open standard. CarPlay users often see this error when connecting to car infotainment systems. The fix is to update your car's firmware or try a different USB cable. And some users report the error appearing with nothing plugged in at all. That usually means debris or moisture is creating a phantom connection in the port.
Here are things you should never do. Never use a damaged cable with exposed wires. It can short-circuit your port. Never force a cable in at the wrong angle. You can bend the pins inside the port. Never ignore the liquid detected alert. If moisture is present, let the port dry completely before plugging anything in. Never buy the cheapest cable you can find. A quality MFI cable costs $10 to $15 and protects your device. And never attempt to open your iPhone yourself without proper anti-static tools.
Here's how to prevent this error from happening again. Always use MFI certified cables and chargers. Clean your charging port gently once every few months. Keep your iOS updated to the latest version. Avoid exposing your phone to moisture or extreme humidity. Do not bend or yank the cable when unplugging. And if you use a case, make sure it does not push lint into the port over time.
Most accessory errors are caused by a cheap cable or a dirty port, and both are easy to fix. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and you have got this.